Good morning, everybody. It's Christmas Eve. It's cold as hell outside, and Kathy wanted this recipe. So that is the recipe. You guys can take a screenshot of that. There's a self-rising flour recipe on the front. We don't do that. We just use Bisquick. So there's a recipe. Here are the ingredients: Bisquick, and then Bruce's yams. You'll see later. I'll tell you later. You either use a 29-ounce can or the 40-ounce can. And I will be back in just a second and walk through how to do this. All right, first step, yams go in a pot. Don't put any juice in, but a little juice going in is okay. I'm also doubling this. So you saw in the recipe, it's only one can, I'm putting in two. There's one. Here comes the second can. A little bit of juice is okay. All right, next step once you're there is to put in a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Oop. Cup of sugar, we're doubling it, so we go 2 cups. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're doubling it, so 2 teaspoons. 1. 2. And this is the dude that helped me cook this morning. Nux! Yeah! All right, next step is you mash all the stuff together. I just showed you until it's a pretty fine consistency. Ab, you getting this? Again, remember, you double it, and one thing I didn't mention earlier is don't throw your juice away. You might need it later depending on how the stuff feels, how the batter feels. That's about what you're looking for. Still some chunks. All right, then you just mix the two. You're putting the Bisquick that I already measured out. You guys didn't see that. You throw this in here, and then you're gonna mix it. It takes a while to mix. I'm not gonna show all that. I'll show it at the end so you can see the consistency. Oh, and generally this looks like the finished product. It's not sticky, but it's still moist. So in this case, I didn't have to add any of the extra juice. I'll show you in a minute when I roll it out and cut them. All right, once you have the dough of the right consistency, you flatten it out to about 1/2 inch. I go rolling pin. My photographer's getting in close. All the way out to the edges. That's about right. About 1/2 inch. And then you cut them. I just use a Captain Morgan's glass to cut them with. Anything you want. Are you doing one?
Is that big box, my box?
And then you put them kind of tight together on the pan, because they'll raise up straight as opposed to spreading out more. And once you have them cut, in the oven for about 16 minutes. I use stoneware, so it takes a little bit longer. And we've got finished products over there.